Ngayon, may JC Makalalag na. The way you carry yourself, yung persona mo, ang lakas ng dating eh. Yun yung sinasabi ng mga tao online and when they watch you play live. Is that part of you knowing the history of LaSalle basketball? Saan ba nanggagaling yung persona mo na yun nga, ang lakas ng dating at yung animo swag is there?
Well, I think siguro factor din siya. And I know rin may background yung LaSalle na being swagger, gano'n. And siguro yung kaya rin ako medyo nagkakaroon ng confidence this season is because of the coaches. I mean, yung trust na binigay nila for me during the preseason. I mean, doon na-build yung confidence ko as a player na naladala ko ngayon sa UAAP.
Kasi alam ko, ano rin eh, minsan nagmo-modeling ka rin eh.
May times na may opportunity na gano'n eh. Siyempre, tinatry ko rin eh, parang experience yung mga bagay na gano'n. Try to go out of my comfort zone din. And I think nakakatulong din siya sa akin as a person naman. Parang yung publicity ko, parang nakakatulong sa akin na mabuild yung confidence ko, not just in basketball but also as a person na rin.